Welcome to the Maritime Startup Ecosystem Interviews, a series we created to give even more exposure to startups from the Maritime Startup Ecosystem Network. Today I'm here with Fabio Cacciatori of Illogic. Illogic offers wearable edge IoT computing devices for remote assistance for maintenance and operations on ships and plants. So welcome Fabio. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi Fabio. Thank you for being with us. It's a pleasure to meet all the startups in the network, and every day we meet new ones. And it's a big network. Like we have like 270 plus startups. Talking to all of them is quite an accomplishment because it's like being all the time on Zoom. But we try to do it. So Fabio, tell us something about your company, Illogic, and your role in the company. I think you're the founder, right?
Yes, I'm co-founder of it. The company was founded, actually, we entered in the company around 5 years ago. And the direction we decided to follow is the one that you mentioned before. To construct the first a wearable device, head-mounted device with edge computing capability, and because of that we can execute on it some artificial intelligence software, or we can stream some data, some video, some other information to a central unit where is possible to perform again other activities, some of them also based on artificial intelligence. And we start selling, actually, promoting with some tune-up of this system in different industries.
Yeah. Okay, so if I understand correctly, it's a helmet with some additional interfaces like visual and probably audio, so that edge computing, which means that you're basically wearing a computer that does a lot of IoT analysis and
artificial intelligence too.
Exactly, and AI to process the data locally, so that then the connection with the cloud is less bandwidth intensive. So yeah. It's very interesting. And the target markets you mentioned, you started saying, are shipping and also other plants. So can you tell us something about your clients, your target markets, and how you're doing in these, if you have already developed clients, if you are in pilot phase, or already with some clients that are running projects?
The idea actually is the experts are a very difficult people to find and to have enough. And also it's difficult to have where they need, in the exact moment where they need.
Right.
The idea is to be able to bring an expert on the shoulder of even a junior, even a new trainee on the field. And this is very important where there is complexity. Yeah. Complexity, definitely, there is in the plant, industrial plant, oil and gas plant, chemical, petrochemical plant. Complexity, it's on board of the ships. We have many items, pumps, engine, and many other mechanical parts and electrical ones that is necessary to fix. So the idea is this one, to be able to have a real-time conversation with an expert, performing at the same time also some calculations, some computing, using or not using artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
So this is the idea. We started doing this project around 4 years ago, and we passed through different releases. At the present moment, we have a stable product. We achieved at least strong, robust release, and we start entering in the commercialization, industrialization and commercialization phase. Yeah. Already we sold to some oil and gas plant. already we sold in different countries, not just, we are based in Italy, but actually clients are Brazil, Russia, Middle East, Europe. And the first POC were successful, and now we are entering in the more interesting part of the life, that is the commercialization of something that is working. And for maritime area, we started with one client. We did, I think, a good experience with him, and I think they are satisfied about what we, in the end, achieved. And now we are looking forward to get some more step on more important, more interesting project.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. So it's good. It's good. You went through all the proof of concept phase during these years, and you got to a point where you have a product that is sort of final and stable, and you can use it. And actually, you sold it already to one client. Now, as the matter is going from one to many, and I hope we can help by yes, having you here with this interview and letting the world know what you are doing. So absolutely great. Congratulations. It's very interesting, because I've been hearing about this idea of being there physically, like not physically or virtually, or having someone help you do some particular task while not having them there with you. Nice science fiction stuff, but now it's actually working. It's actually there. It's working already on some ships. So congratulations. Now, as a startup, you the typical the most important thing for most of the startup is, well, money, how you fund this stuff. So I guess you raised initially, I imagine. Can you tell us about how did you do? And now I would say, if you are in fundraise mode, if you are looking for a next step of financing, tell us what you can, considering that you are in a public forum, say interview, so don't say anything that is confidential.
Definitely, yes. I'm not going to do it, but anyway, we invested for the first part of this development of the company by ourselves with the shareholders that we have.
Oh, great! Yeah.
And definitely now we are looking for a stronger growth. And for that, definitely, we are considering to get some venture that could be interesting in supporting us. Because as we said, we plan to develop worldwide presence. We plan to develop our sales, the turnover of the company, and so for that is not enough. What we have done till now is necessary, obviously, to do some more steps. And we are open, definitely, to consider interest in it.
Okay, good. So you are now approaching the growth phase, which of course requires capital, because you know how to do it. Now it's a matter of doing it repeatedly and have like a sales force that can support you, or a sales organization that can support you, and that really can expand the product to like globally, which how the market is, because maritime market is global. So you're open to it, but as far as I understand, you're not specifically already on a fundraising campaign where you know exactly how much you want, when you want it, and you start reaching out, which is fine, I guess.
So yes, we are in the middle. I mean, we know what we need, so how much we need, but we are not yet pitching. We are not yet actively searching for the investor. But we know that definitely, if we want to achieve some results, to bring the company to a specific size, we are in the need to find an investor that can help us.
Okay. So for investors, for venture capitals, keep an eye on Illogic. They are getting ready to come to you and propose you their company as a valuable investment proposition. So I think very good. I'm very proud. I'm Italian as well, so I'm very proud of this Italian jewel. There are some other companies, some other Italian companies, not many, unfortunately. I see that Italy is not very much represented on the map, but it's fine. We're going to change it.
We are trying to start doing the contribution.
Exactly. So, Fabio, thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I hope to see you again with some next steps and next successes. So, for the moment, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Fabio. Ciao, ciao.